Here's how to get the perfect fit for comfortable, beautiful, and natural looking eyelids. Step 1, peel the eyelid sticker off the film backing and place it on your clean, dry eyelid. I like to start at the outer corner and work my way in with my eye open. Step 2, grab an eyeliner or brow pencil and trace the shape of your eye, your crease, down to your inner corner. Step 3, gently and slowly remove your eyelid and then trim away the excess. Place and trim as many times as you need for the perfect fit. Getting the right fit is the most important part. Think of these like a great pair of jeans. Once you break them in, you'll forget you're wearing them. And here are some extra tips and tricks. Don't worry about the adhesive wearing off as you make adjustments. Your eyelids will actually become more comfortable as the adhesive softens. Once you have your custom fit, trace it onto the film backing and cut that out. Now you have a custom template for every pair of future eyelids. You can always wear your eyelids as they come, but you can also use them as a starting point and add your own vibe. If you're using the naked style, start with some concealer or foundation to give your makeup something to stick to. Depending on the shape of your eye, the inner corner may feel a little annoying. If that's the case, you can try a few things. Trim the bottom edge right next to the lash. Use a tiny dot of eyelash glue to make it extra secure. Or you can just trim that corner back altogether and use a little makeup to blend the corner. Now get ready to enjoy your eyelids era where you can change your eye makeup faster than you can change shoes.